Small, uncharged molecules, such as oxygen and water, can diffuse freely through a phospholipid bilayer. They do not require special transporters as they move down their concentration gradients. However, the bilayer is impermeable to larger polar molecules, such as glucose and amino acids, antiions. These substances need help to pass through the membrane. They require the presence of specific transmembrane proteins, which act as transporters. When they pass through the transporters, the molecules do so in an energetically favorable direction, in a process known as passive transport. The molecules move down their concentration gradient, from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration, or along an electrochemical gradient. One type of transporter is a channel protein, which forms an open pore through the membrane, allowing the free passage of any molecule or ion of the appropriate size. In contrast, carrier proteins act more specifically. They selectively bind and transport specific small molecules. The binding of the molecule triggers the carrier protein to change shape and open a passage for the molecule to move to the other side. For both types of transporters, the process occurs without an additional energy input, such as from ATP, which is why this is considered passive transport.